Opening of page 1. Did you do this on purpose? Jesus, come on. Oh, is it left-hand thread? No, it's not.
Maybe it's got a bit stuck to them.
You got it right.
He's on there.
Jesus. It's going well. Oh, man, the pain. What are you doing to me? Come on. I'm not doing that.
Hang on, I'll stop.
There'll be crowds round the bike going, oh, what's this? What have you done here? I'll be like, just leave me alone, I'm trying to film the bike. As seen on Wizard of Oz, but that way around. Oh, Christ. As seen on The Great Escape. Are you ready with a bit of cloth? Because you know it's...
More
Right, so-
that tank with that.
Yeah, I know. Any leaks? Let me know. Oh, it's got to go over. We've got new taps. Tell me when. So the right's reserve. No, left's reserve.
What you can pick because the taps are exactly the same.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, so you either use your right one all
Oh,
the
I
time.
thought the taps were handed.
Yeah, but the ones you bought ain't.
Where's fire extinguishers? So the taps are off.
Right.
So whatever. So that's down
Yeah.
for left, and then all the way around for reserve.
Yeah.
Cheers. It's not my battery.
Hit the other tap, John. Okay.
Are you tickling me, aren't we?
Right, it's filling up. See it, the gasket. Definitely at the gasket.
Yep, she's there.
Oh, the tap's on, yeah?
Yep. Just sorting his camera.
Right, so have you just tickled the calves? Yeah. I didn't even get to tickle my own calves. So that was that. So it's... Oh. Nothing's leaking yet, so something's wrong.
Give it a couple of kicks on full throttle. No ignition.
Couple of kicks on full throttle. Ah, so what's this doing, Tom?
Just putting a bit of fuel in the barrels.
In the barrels?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Turn it. Oh, I'll turn it on for you.
There.
going forward.
That's it. It's now ready for you.
So what am I expecting here?
Broken leg.
It's a soft ceiling, you'll be alright.
I would stand across it.
It's down there, yeah?
Yeah.
Jesus, I'm actually shitting myself.
You know if it does kick back, yeah, remember that on your handlebar.
Do I have to feel a certain, what do you call it?
Compression. No, just kick it over. It's a twin.
So we've gone from full engine split to this. Fucking.
Your heel's quite close to your side panels. Don't want to scratch. Right.
Little bit of throttle. It's not running on this side.
But I felt
But you're feeling one pipe, not.
no.
One's cold.
Oh,
one's
did
hot.
you not? I felt on this top pipe, which is that side. I felt air. Oh, that's just air being
Air.
pushed out.
cold.
Yeah, it's got no heat. See, like you're 32, that exhaust was 22.
And what was the other?
Hot.
It's at 55 at the moment.
So what could that be? Just
Probably a
spark?
plug. Hopefully a plug.
But the fact that it started on one after a full build, that's pretty encouraging, isn't it?
Well, it could be a first.
Say that again. The fact that it started just on one pot.
It's a tight engine, isn't it? So one was enough to drag it around and run. So that bodes well for.
So what we do, we'll pop that plug, have a look, and then we get it on two because it'd be a lot nicer.
Yeah, yeah.
But that was loud, wasn't it? That was just one. Oh,
In the desert, you wouldn't notice that. So it just...
Bolney is not a desert. Cool. Right. So
Plug out.
Plug out.
Yeah. Off your pop. So bloody hot in there. I think we're dripping a bit of fuel.
Hey, dripping a bit of fuel.
That's alright. Whoever put these fucking exhausts in.
Do you know what I remember in my mate's driveway? Somebody turning up on a Tiger, and I can remember my T-shirt fluttering
Yeah.
in the wake of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Gilly, his name was. It's even leaking at the back. Where's
No, that was probably there before.
No, it's dripping.
Oh, it's running down this leg.
Oh right. Is that from the oil? Oh yeah.
What we should do is put the pipe on.
Yeah, the breather.
Yeah.
Hey, but guys,
It worked.
it works.
Brilliant, isn't it?
But that's illegal, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Slightly.
We might have a look at this car. Petrol.
What was that? That's a little hurrah then.
She's getting happy.
Okay, that's pistons running.
Do you want me to keep going on this?
Nah, turn it off.
Okay, how'd you turn it off?